road. Well, it's trying to find me. I'm standing in the middle of life with my past behind me. I got a smile for everyone I see. Long as you don't try dragging my bait or dropping a bomb on my street. Now come on, baby. Well, come on now. In the middle of the road. In the middle of the road. You see the darndest things now. Like fat guys driving round in jeeps in the city, wearing big diamond rings and silk suits. Always corrugated tin shacks filled up with kids. I don't mean a Hampstead nursery. When you own a big chunk of the bloody third world, the babies just come with the scenery. Now come on, baby. I said get in the road. Oh, come on now. In the middle of the road. It's my private cul-de-sac. Well, I can't get from the cab to the curb without some little jack on my back. I said, don't harass me, can't you tell I'm going home? I'm tired of sell, I'm not the kind I used to be. I gotta get a girl, baby. I said, get in the road. Oh, come on now. In the middle of the road.
Sidney and Harp, everybody!